model cheek versus baby face cheek. Let's find out what suits you best. But if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Model cheek is sculpted, lifted, and with jawline siya, mga lovies. So, dapat naka-emphasize yung jawline nyo kasi medyo paangat nga siya. And then, tap it and blend. In loose powder sa above lang ng natin, ng contour. And then, luminous powder para ma-emphasize yung curve. So, dun nyo siya ilagay dapat. And then, blush. Kung asan yung curve ng contour natin, dun din kayo magba-blush. Then, let's do the baby face cheek naman. Pa-round siya. Yan. Round, and then, kita nyo wala siyang jawline. This is my favorite part, mga loves. Yung contouring, grabe, I really love this talaga. And then blend it with beauty blender or brush. Kung ano yung meron kayo dyan. I'm still sick. And yung pagbablush niya, pabilog din. Kita nyo, parang pas half C, pabilog din siya. Ganun yung mga baby face. And powder, of course, sa top and then sa bottom ng face natin. And ayun ang mga loves. Ayun yung baby face cheek. And then, yung model cheek natin. Tingnan nyo kung ano yung bagay sa inyo. Ako, parang bet ko yung model cheek kasi parang bilog yung mukha ko. So, parang mas bagay sa akin yung pataas. But whatever you think is best for you, you can do this. Thank you so much, mga loves. Thank you for watching. Always remember, the beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Have a great day to all.